And I said, now wait a minute, now what happened to the Rick Vader that has all these creatures and stuff and these particular things that's not human? The Book of the Dead, when you go down into the vignettes, they got monsters up in there. They talk about one in this particular book, Well in the Soul. They'll show a particular picture of an alligator with a snake tail. What the fuck is that? And they said that they was giving you the aspect of the monster. They also talk about how you had to, when you go to a certain level of spirituality, you had to identify with animals. And these animal masks are the dog head, bird head, hawk head, alligator head, because this was on such a high level until humanity does not reflect this level. And so in order to deal with these high levels, you had to come outside of your human view of things. So that's why you got the hawk head, the bird head, and all those things. When you go to the high level, you can no longer identify with the human because it's on another level. So they modified it down in dynastic period to animals. In pre-dynastic period, it was monsters. And that's where you get the whole monster shit from. Get the movie, what's that movie, Small Soldiers. And the monsters and shit, it was monsters and shit. All they wanted to do was get back home, but it was peaceful. And one had dreadlocks. Now you know where I'm going with this shit. Alright. Now you know where I'm going with this thing now. Hold on. So now they used to, Small Soldiers, hellified movie. You know, we use our own language, hellified. That's some straight up nigga shit right there. There ain't no shit no white motherfucker made up. Hellified. But you know that's some bad shit. You know what I mean? Now that's a powerful shit right there. You know what I'm saying? Hellified. So, alright. Now, dealing with this holy guardian angel, I'm still on that. The Egyptians say, you know, we can't, when we get to a certain level, and when we deal with the gods, we put animal heads. Before the dynastic period, pre-dynastic, it was monsters. Why is it that the white people make monsters and toys and give to their children? You understand what I'm saying? And they was talking about by the 1980s, they said, God damn, they had it on the news, said this shit is ridiculous. These damn toys that the children are playing with is grotesque. But they say the more hideous, the more they sell. Alright. You got to fall in love with the monster. Now y'all follow me on this one, because this is very important. Alright. So the Egyptians used to give you, but after the monster they would still give you birds and the more and bird head, hawk heads, and the more vicious they get, you would get like Hemmitt. It's a creature, you don't know what it is. It's a crocodile, it's a hippopotamus, it's a three-fold composite figure called Hemmitt. He's a destroyer of souls. In the judgment scene, you'll see him when you go to Chicago. Also, and stuff. You would also get crocodile heads and all kinds of stuff like that. But they're trying to show you something above the human image and the human condition. Now you got to do more than the image because you got to become the monster.